Here's our 5-minute or less spinach dish. We've got a pan on the stove at about medium-high heat, and I've got my container of olive oil. We're going to coat the pan. Don't be skimpy. You need enough to give the spinach a nice olive oil flavor, kind of a buttery flavor. If you got a real good olive oil, this is the place to use it. We're going to let the olive oil heat for about 30 seconds to a minute until it gets shimmery, and then we're going to add our spinach in. This is the pre-packaged baby spinach, already washed, prepared, ready to go. If you got it in the garden, fresh spinach, even better. Okay, so we're going to add our spinach to our pan in bunches here, and as soon as it adds there, you get enough, you want to start turning. And that's going to cook way down, so as you're cooking it, you want to keep adding more to the pan. But we're just going to cook it until it's just wilted and kind of turns this darker green here. We're going to just make a little well here in the middle, and we're going to add our garlic. I got about 1 clove of minced garlic. You could also use the freshly already prepared garlic if you like. And turn our heat down to medium. Just let that kind of cook for a second until you can really smell that garlic. Gets a little soft but not brown. And we are done. Let's just pop our spinach in a bowl. All right, sprinkle with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, freshly ground pepper, squeeze of lemon. Okay, so now we've got our side dish, high potassium side dish. It's great if you're trying to manage your high blood pressure, except if you're on a low potassium diet, you have kidney disease. And this is so much better than a steamed spinach, a creamed spinach, a frozen spinach. This is the way to do it. This is the way to get your kids and family to eat spinach. Make this spinach at home, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're very active on there. You can find us also on Facebook at The Cooking Doc, and on Twitter. We're active now on Instagram. We got lots of great recipes and food for you every day. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for watching The Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.